We're really excited about the new year for many reasons. These include moving to our new location in downtown Cocoa Beach in our newly renovated 1939 cottage, the team structure we implemented last year in our brokerage, and the vigorous real estate market conditions we've been experiencing. There's been a lot of noise and conversation this last year about the potential of a U.S. recession, our global economy, and the upcoming election. Despite concerns, one misconception related to whether we have a recession, mild or not, is that the housing market is currently healthy and stable, along with extremely low inventories for starter homes. Interest rates remain very low, and we do not have the ridiculous and lenient lending practices that we saw in the mid-2000s. Lending qualifications are stringent, which stabilizes the unhealthy practices we saw before the market crash. Another interesting note to mention is that in many recessions, property values have actually increased. We've seen a huge upswing in engineers moving to our area due to increased supply of jobs in the aerospace industries, from NASA, L3 Harris, SpaceX, Blue Origin, Northrop Grumman, Lockheed, Embraer, DRS, etc., and a multitude of subcontractors supporting these or similar companies. We're really happy to see this skilled professional group move to our county. The Economic Development Council of Brevard County recently noted that our county boasts more engineers per capita than any other Florida or U.S. metro area. Cape Canaveral was recently named by AirBNB as one of the top 20 short-term rental destinations in the world for 2019. That's dramatic. There is mixed sentiment towards these short-term rentals in established residential communities, but this segment of the market has exploded in recent years. We have almost daily inquiries from investors looking to purchase multi or single unit properties that are either renovated or need a complete overhaul. County commissioners just unanimously approved a height variance to 75 feet for a hotel chain that is planning to bring the first 5-star resort to Brevard County at the current International Palms Resort. This variance would in part allow for first floor garage parking, as well as the need for a breakaway that's required for construction along the ocean, and increased ceiling heights that many desire. The resort is slated to have restaurants and shopping, which will be open to the public, and have a conference center that will attract large companies that now currently travel to Orlando to the type of conference center they're looking for. Design preferences are changing really quickly these days though, so keep your eye out for changes. One of the trends is colored cabinetry, gold and brass hardware, and lighting. Quartz is still very popular, but prices are at a premium right now. Property values on average for the county have seen from 5 to 6.5% value increase for 2019 for single family homes, and even higher for some townhomes and condos in certain areas and certain price points. The median price for single family homes in Brevard County was $286,000 and $226,000 for townhomes and condos. Zip codes throughout Brevard County are performing very differently, however, especially so with seasonality along the barrier islands. So please contact us for more detailed information on your particular area of interest. Inventory and days on market are almost double what they were a few years ago in some areas, but have normalized to a more healthy and buyer and seller's market rather than the seller's market we had in previous years. The upper end market softened some in recent years, but we're also seeing more activity in high-end construction along the ocean and inland communities like Viera. A new oceanfront property project in Cocoa Beach is priced at $450 to $550 a square foot. And these price points are attracting buyers from California and South Florida looking for more modern amenities and superior construction quality. Buyers are looking for move-in ready homes, and investors are scooping up well-priced fixer-uppers to rent to area tourists, visiting the beaches and the Kennedy Space Center, or after a Port Canaveral cruise or visit to Orlando theme park attractions. So price your property right the first time to avoid days on market stacking up and the negative association that comes with too many days on the market. Inventory has softened in some zip codes, but is still tight in the starter home price points from $200,000 to $350,000 range. So be ready to compete on well-priced homes when they first hit the market. Many homes in this price range do need a few projects, so we can either help you negotiate some of those with the seller or put you in contact with a reputable local subcontractor. Set your expectations that the home might not be perfect, but with reputable home inspectors, we can help you uncover major issues that need to be addressed. And if the seller just will not cooperate, we'll help you move on to another property and get you out of your contract as quickly as possible. Rental rates are on the rise. Interest rates are still amazingly low, but they won't continue. So for renters, we can help them do the math and often find that they can start building equity in their own home for a price at the same as what they're paying monthly for rent. First-time home buyers are often very skittish given they watched their parents suffer through the 2000 market bubble and following crash. The rental market is extremely active with the influx of engineers, tourists, and northerners moving to warmer climates in a more tax-friendly state. Tenants do like clean, updated units, and with these you can price them more aggressively. With over 4,000 registered brokers and agents in Brevard County, MLS, work with someone that can help you filter out the noise. We have years of experience in conventional and private mortgage lending, property management, and renovating, the latter of which is a passion of mine. I continue to invest in real estate and education to further my knowledge in the real estate profession. In addition, our company has chosen to go to an all-team model in an effort to place the right person in the right role to give you the highest level of service and expertise in marketing, negotiating, document management, and title closing services. We'd love to consult with you on your listing and purchasing needs in Brevard County to help you find the right property to meet your investing and lifestyle goals. I'm Barbara Schluraff with Century 21 Ocean, and we look forward to working with you.